All right, what's up, guys? Day 31 of my day trading journey to profitability. Ended up taking a loss today. Lost around $130, $120 or so. Um, Honestly, I don't know why I lost money. I don't even know why I took a trade. Um, I took a trade that was not even anywhere close to according to my plan. Um, I guess I was just feeling like I needed to take a trade. I haven't had a winning trade in a while. Um, and market hasn't really been giving me something. But I don't know what I was thinking today. Um, Entered on something I shouldn't have, so that's the reason I lost today, really. But let's just go over price action here. So 4 hour, on the 4 hour, we're in a downtrend here. Still in a downtrend currently on an NQ, NDS. Marked out the highs and lows, hourlies, 4 hours. Uh, we do have this hourly high that I was watching on ES here. It got swept around 8:30 or so. On NQ, it never got swept. Um, I was looking for shorts for today, which is the trade I took, but wasn't the right trade. But I was waiting for this high to be swept, but we never got that. So we can go into here. We'll go to the 5 minute. Um, Market opened right here or so. You can see, don't really get a whole lot of movement here. Don't even come up to sweep this high, um, which this candle, this is the news candle, PPI today. So that's another reason I probably shouldn't have been trading, um, but it's pretty early on. The main reason I shouldn't have traded just because none of my rules got hit. But you can see here, we never get a sweep of this, any liquidity. Not even like we have a hourly imbalance or anything. Um, we do have this one we can mark out. Um, but we already slipped into there off that news candle. So not really the best confluence. I like to see like a 4 hour imbalance and see we're just kind of going all around it. Um, just accumulating around it. On the 4 hour, there's nothing really there. No imbalances or maybe this order block, but we've been in this for a while. The trade I took was on NQ, which didn't sweep the um, this high, which I should have taken the trade. I should have taken if I when I took this trade, even though it was a bad trade, I should have taken it on ES just because there was an SMT here on ES. This high got swept, so it's up here. But even then, I mean, we have this. Let me show chart executions. Um, we come up here, and I don't know what I was doing. Um, I shorted absolutely nothing. Not sure why. Uh, I think I saw on the 1 minute this fair value gap. Oh, you know what we did? We broke structure. Off this low here, we broke structure on this 950 candle. 1 minute. So 955. I mean, that was this here. I should have waited for a new fair value gap, if anything, because that's what I found out works. I need to wait for a new fair value gap after the 5 minute candle closes. So I need a fair value gap after this one. And you can see we get this one here. We get pushes in here, but just keeps on pushing. Um, and then nothing really. Um, yeah, I shorted off of this. Um, I wanted to take out these. Um, I shorted off this break structure in the 1 minute. Stops were like here. It was a terrible risk to reward as well. Um, so I don't even know what I was doing. Normally, I want my stops above the first candle. So it would need to have been down here, if anything, and there was nothing there to trade against. There was this low down there, but even then, I really don't know what I was thinking. Um, Pretty upset that I just shorted out of thin air, sorted on hopes and dreams. But that's not how we win in this game. We can hope all we want and we can dream all we want, but that's not how we win. We have to stick to our analysis and stick to what works. Yes, 5 minute break structure works, but the 5 minute break structure all the time. Um, yes, my daily bias was short, and my daily bias was right, but I need to be managing my risks. And even though price did come, it came down, went down like to halfway to take profit, then came back and immediately got stopped, pretty much. And then price goes right back down. Um, I don't know if there was nothing really in here that could have traded according to my plan. Um, Nothing that really makes sense to me yet. I mean, I see break structure here, and we held that bearish structure all the way down. We never broke structure. Um, so I don't really know. I mean, I shouldn't have taken that trade. That's what I know. Um, Thankfully, I did de-risk and didn't lose that much. I mean, 150 bucks is still a lot, but didn't lose my a full 1% or so. But yeah, there should have been no trades today because I never got a sweep. If anything, it would have been right here at 125. You can see, well, actually, it would have been here. We get this sweep. We get a retracement here at 1110. Let's see if there was anything here, just to just to help prove my how wrong I was today. So 1110. I mean, I wasn't wrong. I wanted to take out this low, and we did. We get down here to 1110, looking for a fair value gap. Uh, we get one. We do not. We get this. Price touches in a year. Um, we actually do get a break structure above it. So if I was trading this late in the day, which I never do, um, I would have gone long here. Stops below here. So this kind of weird fair value gap. You can see that would have been stopped out, but then price tends to reverse. But this is probably late in the day, low volume, maybe needs more orders to be filled, just because needs more liquidity to fill more orders later in the day, maybe lower volume. Um, that makes sense to me. And then price kind of goes back up. But yeah, I mean, I took a stupid trade and I paid the price for it. I don't know what I was thinking. Um, Hopefully, never going to do that again. I mean, this happens. This has happened before. It's been a little while, but frustrated with what I was thinking today. I wasn't thinking. Um, I was just, I had FOMO or something, was emotional. Um, and I just needed to take a trade for some reason, even though I know deep down, I that's not according to my rules, and I wasn't gonna win. It wasn't a high confluence trade. Um, so I need to wait for my rules. I need to wait for a high time liquidity sweep, 5 minute retracement, and a 1 minute confluence for value gap and order block. It's a pretty simple strategy, and I just need to stick to it. And it works. I know it works. I've had wins that have been great. I'm still up because of that one win I had on it. Um, so yeah, I need to focus on that. And I've been trying to branch out my strategy to place more trades, but I feel like I just need to focus on my one strategy and just master it for now. Maybe down the line I can add to it, but I just need to focus on one thing right now and one thing only and master it. So that's what I'm going to try to do. So yeah, A31 took a loss today, um, but by this loss I'm able to win because I'm able to learn. So A31 will count it as a win because we learned. See you tomorrow.